Hi, this is Evan Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Renault Trafic, stock number 6625. It's ran from the 1st 2015 and the 4th 2022. It has an R9M 1.6 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the R9M 1.6 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front guard no dents, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, left hand rear door no dents, right hand rear door no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right hand door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right hand door card, right hand master switch, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,